Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. I was on the ground at this year's Uncharted Annual Summit in Southampton. It brought together some of the biggest investors and entrepreneurs across a variety of sectors. Cody Barbo, founder and CEO of estate planning startup Trust and Will, told me how having access to this uncharted network enabled his firm to reach new heights. Let's take a listen.
Well, I was fortunate enough to meet with Michael Loeb and his team back in 2018 in the earliest part of our journey with our business. We were a pre-seed stage company, 5 people with a big idea to make estate planning affordable and accessible. And while Michael didn't invest, and maybe I make him regret it now with the size and scale we are today, he gave us a chance to have the support and his network available to us. And now 8 years later, we have a business that has over 1 million estate plans created on it. We've helped hundreds of thousands of families, and we'll do close to 50 million of revenue this year. So we're on an amazing track, and I have investors here and friends in the entrepreneur community that I'm looking forward to meeting with.
Amazing. So how has the Uncharted community served you in your business pursuits?
Part of it's just inspiration. I mean, we've got UBS, who's one of the presenting sponsors here, is an investor in Trust and Will. They're one of our marquee partners. So as much as I get value out of this as an entrepreneur, learning and listening and networking, the value is given back to our business because I find people who want to work with us or they need an estate plan. So it works in many mutual ways.
So let's hear more about your company. I know you referenced some of the metrics there, but how can someone access your services?
Yeah, so it's really easy. If you go to trustandwill.com, you start with a simple quiz to help you figure out where you're at in life. If you're getting married, having kids, buying your first home, or dealing with the sadder realities. People lose family members, they deal with a health scare. We get people from start to finish in about 30 to 45 minutes with a TurboTax-like experience, 1 question per screen, and giving people confidence that the decisions that they're making are going to help protect their legacy and ultimately their family when they're no longer here.
How big is the advisor network?
The advisor network is huge. We started working with advisors over 5 years ago and have 20,000 financial advisors that are using Trust and Will to help bring their clients online to our estate planning ecosystem. So that's large broker dealers, RIAs, and I think some of them are here today. So
yeah. Are there other partnerships that you can talk about that your customers can access through Trust and Will?
Yeah, some of our biggest partnerships, we work with 15 of the top 25 banks, so American Express, Chase, B of A, Citi. We've got great credit card offers through them. Our most marquee partnership is with Fifth Third Bank. So as of a month ago, all Fifth Third Bank customers get a free will-based estate plan. It's a couple $100s of value at no cost, whether you're an existing customer or a net new customer. And they're the first bank in the country to do that. So we're really proud that banks are buying into the belief that estate planning is important. And in addition to that, we work with fintechs, credit unions, insurance companies, and even bundle as an employee benefit.
Is an IPO on the horizon?
That's the goal. I hope in the next 3 to 5 years, that is the market conditions are right. The business is doing a couple $100 million of revenue. But when we started 8 years ago, that was line of sight that we wanted to make that happen. So hopefully it's on the New York Stock Exchange and we're ringing that bell one day and we can do another one of these interviews.
We hope so indeed. Of course, the stock market at a record high today. So certainly the market conditions seem to be favorable in this environment. Lastly, Cody, what do you want to take away from today's event here in Southampton?
Honestly, just have fun. You got people here who are excited to be here. They want to do business with you. I laugh because I'm standing in line for the bathroom and the guy with my badge, he goes, "Oh, I've seen your ads on the website." And within 2 minutes, he gets into this personal story and we created a connection on LinkedIn. I mean, that's just the magic. In every conversation, there's something to take away from it. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the day.
All right, thanks again to Cody Barbo, founder and CEO, for that interview a few Fridays ago.